you are one of my clients and you're dealing with acne, the first step that we're going to do is we're going to look at your skincare. Skincare is going to be very important on the acne healing journey, but it's not the only thing that we're going to be addressing. With that being said, there's a lot of skincare products that contain pore clogging ingredients. We want to make sure that we're looking at the skincare to make sure that you're not using a product that's making your acne worse. These are 3 cleansers that I often find myself recommending over and over again to my patients if they are using a cleanser that has pore cloggers in them. First one up being Native. Honestly, I really like this one. It's a very basic cleanser. It has niacinamide, which is going to be helpful for acne. It's a really big bottle and it's only $10. A lot of the time, skincare can be very expensive, and this is a really good bang for your buck. This is another good cleanser that I like. It's the Bioma, I hope I'm saying that right, cream jelly face cleanser. I really like this one. It contains green tea, so it has antioxidants, and it also contains ceramide, so it's going to help with that skin barrier. I like that it has ceramides in it because this is something that I'm also working with my patients on to help support the skin barrier, and instead of adding one more product to the regimen, we have it right here in the face cleanser. This is another cleanser I really like. It contains AHAs, which is an exfoliator to help to remove the dense dead skin cells on the skin, and that will help reduce clogged pores. All of these are linked to my Amazon storefront, and if you have any questions about skincare for acne or any other acne questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments.